Imagine being 60 years old and attracting attention with your youthful appearance and boundless energy. That's the reality for martial arts legend Donnie Yen, who defies age with his ageless body and vitality that would make people half his age jealous. However, what is his secret? How does he stay so young-looking and feeling so energetic? The answer lies in a simple yet effective approach to diet and lifestyle. Donnie Yen shares the 5 essential meals and way of life choices that helps him feel and look fresh into his 60s. From Guangzhou, China to becoming a global icon, Donnie Yen's journey is remarkable. Born in 1963, his passion for martial arts sparked early on, guided by his mother, a martial arts master herself. Yen's remarkable journey began when his remarkable talent and quick strikes gained worldwide attention by his late teens. However, Yen's long-lasting impact came from Hong Kong's thriving film industry. His extraordinary skill and groundbreaking choreography quickly pushed him to prominence. Although he didn't become well-known initially, his portrayal of the famous IP man propelled him to legendary status. Yen's flawless performance won him admiration worldwide and sealed his place as one of the greatest martial artists of his time. However, Yen's talents go far beyond only martial arts. He is a versatile performer who can sing, produce, and direct just as well. Yen, who has appeared in over 70 films, has broken barriers and shown off his versatility to viewers worldwide by taking on blockbusters like Rogue One in Hollywood. But what sets Yen apart is not just his exceptional skills in the martial arts, but also his humility and dedication to his family. Everything that makes a martial arts icon. His rise from a martial arts prodigy to a worldwide celebrity inspires emerging artists and fans everywhere, showing that everything is possible with dedication and hard work. Donnie Yen follows a straightforward yet efficient diet emphasizing nutrition and balance to maintain his exceptional health and energy level. Recognizing the direct impact of food on the body and mind, Yen concentrates on providing himself with nutritious foods that enhance his mental and physical performance. Yen's usual morning meal consists of 3 poached eggs, half an avocado, and a slice of seeded bread topped with salmon. He gets a well-rounded mix of proteins, good fats, and carbohydrates from this combination, which gives him energy throughout the day. Yen starts the morning with a mid-morning snack of a bowl of flaxseed combined with berries, hemp seeds, peanut butter, and cashew milk to keep his energy levels stable. This snack delights his taste buds and gives him a vitamin-rich boost. When it's time for lunch, Yen usually chooses something that balances protein and veggies, such as rice, tuna or chicken or tuna salad. He eats a disciplined diet, but acknowledges that balance is essential and gives himself the occasional treat, like crispy French fries. Various cuisines are served for dinner, from plain chicken or fish with veggies to spicy Thai or Indian chicken curries served with rice. Yen keeps hydrated by consuming 3 liters of water daily, sometimes with coffee or a glass of red wine. Yen prefers moderation over deprivation regarding delights, so enjoys small indulgences like profiteroles or a bar of 90% dark chocolate. He also avoids processed foods and stresses eating naturally, consuming less red meat and more plant-based and lighter proteins. Yen understands that what he puts into his body directly impacts his performance and well-being. Thus, his approach to eating is centered on balance and mindfulness. Yen proves that age is just a number for achieving optimum performance by fueling himself with healthful foods and allowing occasional delights. Besides maintaining a well-balanced diet, Donnie Yen carefully crafts an exercise routine, emphasizing strength, agility, and endurance. Yen's commitment to martial arts and physical fitness has allowed him to create a regimen that goes well with his diet and keeps him in peak physical condition well into his 60s. every day of the week, Yen dedicates a particular component of his physical conditioning to cardio, focus training, and calisthenics. He uses his entire weight as resistance in an intense calisthenics exercise on Mondays to target strengthening his upper body, which includes his arms and back. Tuesdays are cardio training days, where Yen runs for around 40 minutes at various intensities. He occasionally incorporates hill workouts into his runs to provide an extra challenge and improve his cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Yen turns his attention to core exercises in the middle of the week, spending all of Wednesdays working out to build his abs and enhance his stability. 3 exercises frequently incorporate a significant cardio component, further increasing his stamina and endurance. Thursdays are reserved for leg day, during which Yen exercises focusing on his lower body such as squats, body lunges, and agility drills. Yen keeps explosive force and leg stability, essential for his martial arts performance. Climbing exercises on Friday give Yen a change of pace and a physical and mental challenge, helping him become more focused and proficient at solving problems. Obstacle climbing is a whole body and mental workout requiring strength and technique. We can start again with a focus on the upper body on Saturdays, mirroring Monday's routine to ensure consistency in his training. Lastly, Sundays are set aside for buddy exercises, which makes staying active and involved in fitness a social activity that encourages Yen even more. Since Yen does his stunts, he stresses the value of stretching throughout his workout regimen to avoid injuries. Stretching keeps his muscles flexible and ready for action, which is essential for martial arts performance and general physical well-being. Yen maintains his strength, agility, and endurance by designing a well-rounded fitness regimen incorporating cardio, focused workouts, and strength training. This allows him to continue performing at the top of his field long into his 60s. Beyond the physical aspects of his fitness journey, Donnie Yen greatly emphasizes developing a positive mindset, recognizing its crucial role in maintaining resilience and pushing through challenges. Even at 60 years old, Yen's mental toughness matches his physical strength, and his outlook on life represents a philosophy that defies the limitations imposed by age. According to Yen, resilience and vibrancy depend on maintaining a youthful heart. He encourages people to have an open mind and not let age be a limiting factor, rejecting the concept that age dictates capability. He often repeats his mantra, "Age is just a number. You have to tell yourself age is just the numbers." Yen offers valuable techniques for preserving resilience and motivation, so his positive mentality is more than just an idealistic notion. Similar to how one would brush their teeth, he suggests making positivity a regular habit. People can create a mental atmosphere that supports a proactive and cheerful perspective on life by introducing optimism into their everyday routines. Yen's approach to mental well-being also includes surrounding oneself with positive people. He encourages avoiding negativity and spending time with positive, enabling individuals. This deliberate selection of social networks fosters a positive atmosphere that increases resilience and motivation. One of the main components of Yen's mindset method is goal setting. Whether career milestones, personal accomplishments, or fitness objectives, having a clear objective gives one direction and a sense of purpose. Celebrating little victories along the way is equally important because they increase confidence and strengthen a positive feedback loop. Yen also stresses the significance of practicing self-kindness and avoiding pointless comparisons with other people. He acknowledges that life won't be great every day and encourages people to be gentle to themselves when they're having a bad day and to focus on their positive traits. This self-compassionate strategy supports long-term mental health. Yen's mentality approach supports the notion that a positive view of life can fuel one's quest for physical fitness because the mind and body are interconnected. People with a youthful, optimistic outlook can better overcome hurdles, remain motivated, and face challenges head-on. Many people are curious about Donnie Yen's age-defying appearance and seemingly limitless vitality at 60. However, his secret isn't magic potions or mysterious remedies. Instead, it's the little bit effective decision he makes daily, especially with his nutrition. Yen's nutrition philosophy aims to maximize health, energy, and longevity by providing his body with the proper meals. By concentrating on 5 essential nutrients, Yen has found the symbolic fountain of youth, which enables him to stay in top physical shape and look young well into his 6th decade of life. Yen focuses on eating nutrient-dense proteins, and salmon is a popular option. Salmon, high in omega-3 fatty acids, promotes heart health, brain function, and joint mobility, essential for preserving general well-being as one ages. Salmon's high-quality protein content also supports Yen's busy lifestyle by helping him maintain lean muscle mass and accelerating his recovery after workouts. The soft, delicious avocado is another nutritional powerhouse in Yen's diet. Avocados are a great source of heart-healthy, monosaturated fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By feeding the skin, hair, and nails, these nutrient powerhouses assist Yen in supporting healthy aging, lowering inflammation, and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Avocados' satiating fats also help Yen feel full and satisfied, which discourages overeating and aids with weight management. Yen's anti-aging diet mostly depends on berries due to their potent antioxidant content. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are vibrant fruits packed with nutrients to help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 significant causes of aging and age-related illnesses. By adding berries to his regular meals and snacks, Yen gives his body efficient resources to prevent cellular damage, boost immunity, and encourage gorgeous skin and general vitality. Yen is fully aware of the value of leafy green vegetables and believes that no anti-aging diet would be complete without them. These nutrient-dense greens, which range from broccoli and Swiss chard to spinach and kale, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote optimum health and vitality. By eating them daily, Yen ensures he gets vital nutrients, including iron, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and leafy greens. These nutrients are essential for detoxing, sustaining energy levels, and supporting bone health. Packed in fiber, lignans, and omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds are a little nutritional powerhouse that completes Yen's list of essential anti-aging foods. These mighty seeds provide several health advantages, such as lowering inflammatory levels throughout the body, encouraging regular digestion, and supporting heart health. Moreover, flax seeds' lignans have been demonstrated to offer protection against specific cancer forms, which make them an invaluable supplement to Yen's anti-aging toolkit. Donnie Yen supports optimal health, energy, and longevity by nourishing his body from the inside out with a regular diet that includes these 5 vital components. These foods are essential to Yen's mission to live life to the fullest and fighting aging. Whether it's the heart-healthy fats in salmon, the skin-nourishing minerals in avocados, or the antioxidant-rich chemicals in berries. Martial arts fans and individuals of all ages who want to push boundaries and live life to the fullest might find inspiration in Donnie Yen's journey. His unwavering quest for perfection, both on and off screen, is a living example of the strength that comes from hard work, determination, and confidence in oneself. By sharing his wisdom and expertise, Yen encourages people to adopt a holistic approach to fitness and health, stressing the values of caring for one's body, developing a positive mentality, and appreciating the graceful aging process. Donnie Yen reminds us that anything is achievable with enough effort and determination, and that age is just a number. If you found Donnie Yen's age-defying secrets as inspiring as we did, remember to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful health, fitness, and wellness content.